Alright, so maintenance for LEXUS LS430. This is 2004. I know, mileage is low. Cream puff. Alright, so what we're going to do is work with the trip and reset button. So make sure with the trip that these trip A and trip B are not showing. I believe we're going to turn it off. Hold the reset button and then turn it on. Check VOD, you saw that? Holding it, system check. Maintenance. Holding it. Okay, I guess that didn't work. Alright, so I'm gonna try it again. Hold it, I put it on AC, and I'm not going to turn the car on, and then it goes reset. There we go. So that's for the maintenance, meaning that, you know, oil change. So I held it, and now it is off. I'll turn everything off, start it up, all system check, all lights are good. Okay, so that was holding the reset button and putting it to the auxiliary or AC portion without the engine on. Alright, so with the reset button held down, put it to AC and not starting, with the reset button still being held. Then it did a system check, and then it turned off. Maintenance required. Again, 2004 LS430. Phenomenal. Oh yeah, ultra luxury edition. Everything.